Hello students, I am Sridhar, Assistant Professor in Engineering College. Right students, today I would like to discuss one important chapter in intermediate second year, that is circle. So before going to discuss that chapter, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay students, so in today's class we discuss definition of circle, general form of a circle, okay, and finding equation of circle if center and radius given. We discuss these three topics today in circles, okay, and this is one of the most important chapters in your secondary intermediate. One, I think two marks questions and one 4 marks question and two long answer questions will come from this chapter. Right students, let us come to our topic, circle. So here circle definition. The definition of circle: a locus of the point such that the distance from a fixed point to it is the locus point is always constant. That means all the points lies on this geometrical figure are at a constant distance. The distance from this to this is same, and this to this is same, and this to this is same. So here the fixed point is called center of the circle and fixed distance is called radius of the circle. Okay, so the locus of the point which moves at a fixed distance from a fixed point is called a circle, okay students. Now the center is given and radius is given. That means if center is h comma k and radius of the circle is given r, then we can write equation of the circle. How do we write equation of the circle? If center of the circle is c h comma k, radius of the circle is r. So let us see here. This is the center c h comma k and this is the radius. We have to find the equation of the circle. So let us consider any point on the locus x comma y. Now according to the definition of the circle, the distance from C to P, CP, the distance from C to P, CP equal to R. Now you know that center is h comma k and the point, the assumption point is px comma y. Now already you know in your first year intermediate the distance between 2 points, formula for distance between 2 points. So if a x1 comma y1, b x2 comma y2 are 2 points, then distance between 2 points is denoted by ab, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let us say here x2 is x, x1 is h, y2 is y, y1 is k. Then Cp is square root of x2 minus x1, x minus h whole square plus y2 minus y1, y minus k whole square equal to r. Squaring on both sides, we get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So which is the equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r. Okay students, so if the center we consider as 0 comma 0, if we consider center as 0 comma 0, then this circle changes to, the equation of this circle changes to x minus 0 whole square. X minus 0 whole square is nothing but x square. y minus 0 whole square. Y minus 0 whole square is nothing but y square. So x square plus y square equal to r square. So which is called standard form of circle. Standard form of circle. Okay. So standard form of circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. So general form of circle. What is the general form of circle? You have to know. Very, very important. General form of circle. So an equation is of the form x square plus y square, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is called the general form of circle. This form is called the general form of circle. Okay. So here two conditions apply. In general form, g square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0, then only it represents a circle. That means it is a second degree equation. It is a second degree equation in x and y. So the second degree equation represents a circle if g square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0. Why g square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0? That means it represents the radius. So if radius greater than or equal to 0, that means g square plus f square minus c greater than or equal to 0, then only radius exists. So that this condition is very, very important. Okay. Now we have to find center and radius of this general form. So if general form is given, we can find center and radius, and if center and radius are given, we can find equation of circle. So first we find equation of circle if center and radius are given. Let us see one example. So a question is asked like this: if center C is 2, 3, radius r equal to 1, then find the equation of the circle. Okay. Or the question is asked like this. So find the equation of circle with center C 2, 3 and radius 1. Once again, listen. Find the equation of circle with center 2, 3, radius 1. Like this question asked in the examination. So this question is for 2 marks. Okay, here center is given and radius is given. So you have to compare the center with C, H, K. That is 2, 3. And radius is also given. So if center and radius are given, the formula to find the circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Now what is in the place of h? 2. What is in the place of k? 3. What is in the place of r? 1. So you have to substitute these values in this equation. You get the equation of the circle. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 1 square. Now expanding this equation, we get x square minus 4x plus 4, because it is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula: a square minus 2ab plus b square. So x square minus 2 into 4, 4x plus 4. Plus here also a minus b whole square formula: y square minus 6y plus 9 equal to 1. Now we have to rearrange the terms. So we have to write x square, y square, and then x term, and then y term, and then constant terms. So here only one x square term is there. X square plus y square. Only one x term. Minus 4x. Minus 6y. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 minus 1. Here 1 is there, so we can take this one to left side. If we take 1 to left side, minus 1. So 9 plus 4, 13. 13 minus 1 is 12. That is equal to 0. So which is the required equation of the circle. Okay, students. Now here the question may ask like this also: find the center and radius of the circle. That means if equation of the circle is given, then find the center and radius. Okay, both type of questions are asked in your examination. Okay, so here center and radius is given, then we can find the equation of circle. Now opposite. What is this opposite? If this is the equation of a circle, that means if x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 12 equal to 0 represents a circle, then find center and radius. Like this question asked in your examination. Okay students, so here how do we find? So there is a formula to find center and radius of the circle if circle is in the general form. So what is general form? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is called the general form of the circle. If general form of the circle is given, then the center formula is c equal, remember, minus g comma minus f. Radius formula is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Please remember this. If the equation of circle is given in general form, then center formula is minus g minus f. Radius formula is root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay students, so first of all we have to compare the given equation with the general form. What is the given equation here? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. So x square similar, y square. So here 2gx is there, here minus 4x is there. So what is in the place of 2g? Minus 4. Okay, in the place of 2g here minus 4 is there. So 2g equal to minus 4. So here 2 times get cancelled. G equal to minus 2. Remember, g equal to minus 2. Now here 2f5, here minus 6. So what is in the place of 2f? Minus 6. F equal to minus 3. Okay, f equal to minus 3. Now what is the formula for center? C equal to minus g minus f. Remember that minus g minus f is the formula to find the center. So already here minus 2 is there. Minus of minus 2. Minus of minus 2 is 2. Already here minus is there. Minus of minus 3. Minus of minus 3 is 3. Okay. Now radius. Radius formula is g square plus f square minus c. So g square. What is there? In the place of g, minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is nothing but plus 4. Here f minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is 9. Minus c. What is c? So you have to compare c. Here c in the place of c is equal to 12. Okay. When compare the general form with the given equation, c equal to in the place of c, what is there here? 12. So minus c, that means minus 12. So 9 plus 4, 13. 13 minus 12 is 1. Root 1 is nothing but 1. Okay students. So just now we found the equation of circle with center 2, 3 and radius 1. So equation of circle with center 2, 3 and radius 1 is this, and the center and the radius of this circle is this. So vice versa. These questions are very important for 2 marks in your final examination. So one question will be sure in your final examination. Okay students, if this video is okay students, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will get my new video notifications. Okay students, thank you all. Bye bye. Signing off, Sridhar.